Hey everybody, it's Louie cooking on a Blackstone. We're getting ready to go camping here. 4th of July weekend. And the week after, next week, we'll be out camping. Right now, cooking on a Blackstone, getting it all cooked up. Getting it ready. Got onions, Montreal steaks, thin Montreal steaks. I got some mushrooms. I got some nice sweet onions. I got some fried potatoes, sweet potatoes, the onions. If you've never cooked on Blackstone, you really need to put yourself on one. Get them steaks right up here with the onions. Look at that. Nice thin steaks, Montreal thin steaks. Folks, this is the way to cook. Right here on the Blackstone. I'm gonna get them corn shucked a little bit. Then we'll stick them back on the Blackstone. I'm fixing to eat here really good. Folks, you need to buy yourself a Blackstone. I'm telling you. I used a big 40-pound tank. Lasted a long time. Here's the motorhome I've had so much trouble with from Burlington Glass. They got it goobered up. And it looks like hell in the front, but not much you can do, I guess. Gonna have to live with it for now. We got some other stuff coming on that. I'll let you in on some secrets and let you in on some stuff that's gonna happen with Burlington Glass. If you need a windshield done, don't go Burlington Glass in St. Albans, Vermont, because they go goober up your stuff. There's my coyote. Been doing some food plotting. So that's on the back burner for this week. It's so hot, been 90s, 100s, humidity way up. There's my smoker, pig cooker, all on the trailer. Usually rented out for the 4th. We got it all rented out. People backed out on me in the last minute. They did lose their $150 deposit, so I'm up $150. So if anybody needs it, I got to rent it out for this weekend, but the following weekend is not rented yet, so give me a call, 782-3578. Other than that, I'm going to get ready to shuck some corn and eat here. Folks, thanks a lot for watching. Like my channel, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. It just tells you about what my day is. Just having fun. Remember to have fun. Everybody, have a good 4th of July. Talk to you later.